How to fix Fischer's phishing journey crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties, and then go to installed files and click verify the integrity of game files. Wait for it to finish this process. Now you want to click on the browse button and then find the game's exe file, right click on it and go to properties and then compatibility tab and disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. Make sure they are checked. Then click on apply and OK. Now you can close this folder and then go back to the general tab, and under launch options you want to type -dx11. Then you can close this window. Now you want to open your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app basically. You want to download and install it if you don't have it already. Then you want to check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. Then you will need to restart your computer after doing that. And simply then you open up Steam and start playing the game again, and it should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.